Governor General, they do it. So it should have been gazetted. But again, to me, it's just the formalities. What matters is the instrument. Instruments are appointment. It takes a over. It's nothing to do with the judge. If somebody deserves not to put gazetted, that does not qualify and disqualify him. They just don't do it. And it's not a big issue. The issue is, it's been appointed, it's been sanctioned by the relevant authority. I want the media to not to take us that this is an issue. At least we have better things to do. This is just a minor issue. Again, it's ongoing matters. That what the lawyers have been advised to. His term elapses 21st of November last year to now. He didn't know, we didn't know it. Now that we realize that that's something, what they do is the court resumes, then, relevant lawyers will file necessary documents to take it up with the judge, and then they'll decide on the questions. And so that I leave it with a court. Otherwise, I step into the areas that I'm not allowed to step in.